Hello. So the other day I poured this flower. I was going for a 3-petal flower. It dried really pretty. The yellow is really rich and bright, and it's shiny. It's really pretty. The canvas, though, leaves a lot to be desired. This is the 3rd time I've poured over this. So this is going to be for my bathroom, but I'm going to embellish it. I was going for a pansy, but it looks more like a yellow iris, but it's got this purple around it. And I'm just going to incorporate that. So it's going to be a new species of iris. So I still have some of the same colors that I used for it. I'm going to go ahead and this is just a Crayola marker. I don't think it's going to do any harm. I am just going to outline some of the areas that I want to keep, just to keep myself on track. So these areas I would like to keep as the petals. Can you see that where I've marked? I'd like to keep those areas as the petals. So I'm going to focus on those areas, and like the tops here, I'm going to really make them part of the petal itself. And then these areas I will probably put foliage or something. So here it is. So tell me what you think. Ooh, I missed one little purple dot right there. I better get that. I mean, my God. Just like that. Well, I would like to thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. And I will see you soon.